cutters. Put this on the here. So here's my completed bird feeder. On the top we have one hole close to the opening and 2 holes close to the back.
One right here.
Yeah. And you need another one. Then you turn the can. You got 3 holes. Turn the can 180 degrees. Okay, Dean. And then the dimples at the front here, you'll just squeeze them so they're a little smoother, just so you don't cut your hands on it. Something like that. Okay, so you want to bend horseshoes in these 2 wires, so the center of the wire is in the center of the horseshoe.
I'll do it.
Okay, and you just take your stick. And you're not allergic to peanut butter?
No.
There. Okay, take some scoops, and then you want to see where my hand is?
Right at like the base.
The bottom, but close to your stick there.
Like that?
Yeah, good. And now pick up your can and try to find the balance point, and then make a loop.